We present you our solution management system of the major construction work within the framework of the Smart City concept. This system solves the problem of monitoring the processes of building objects, controlling the expenditure of investment, and rejecting budget costs. When we start the system, we see a map with construction objects marked with different colored labels. Green mark means that we are ahead of the construction schedule. Yellow color is for a slight deviation from the plan, and a red mark indicates that the object is far behind the schedule. On the Information tab, we can find basic information about the object. The tab Objects of Expenditure displays a table of expenses for the chosen object. We can see the budget which was allocated and spent for each item of expenditure, as well as the percentage of the facility's readiness for each quarter. Construction Progress tab illustrates the statuses and photos for the object for specific dates, as well as the information about the percentage of the budget spending and the percentage of readiness at this stage. On the 3D Model tab, you can see the 3D model of the object, divided into key parts. We can select and hide these parts of the object. With the help of this functionality, we can clearly demonstrate the progress of the construction in stages. Using together the data from the pictures, the readiness percentage of the object, and the 3D model, we can understand the real situation on the object. Several reports have been created within the work on the project. The first report shows a summary of the objects. On the left, we can see how many objects are built according to the plan and how many of them have deviation from the schedule. Below, we find the readiness percentage of each object. The Object tab provides more detailed information about each object. In the tabs, we see expenditures and the readiness percentage of the object. Below, we see a budget development schedule. From the Details table, we can find out the actual expenditure for the articles in the context of time. In our case, by quarter. The time period and the object can be chosen on the left side of the screen. Contact us and learn more about management system of the major construction work.